Hello fellow traders, Paul Limmel. Got another stock here. It's got a really good looking long-term cycles on it, and it's been acting really well in the base. I would have expected this to be a little bit weaker with this Tesla robotaxi thing coming up, but Uber Technologies is acting really well despite that. So we'll come back here and break down the cycles here in a minute. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bitcoinatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, getting back to looking at the market rating, we're finally back at an A+, and we've had several months below that, and just the last week or two, we've had a good confirmation of support on the Dow Jones 30, so we're back to an A+ market. Let's go ahead and look at that there. You can see right here we had basically all the moving averages lining up, and we have double confirmation of support, 42,000. We're getting higher highs in this breakout. If this continues heading up, be in pretty good shape. We're out of the TM2 cycle, came out of the TM1 cycle here. You got the 3.5 month cycle breakout retest right there. Looks like it's off to the races. Dow Jones 30, 43,000 today. Okay, getting back to Uber, cycle breakdown. We had kind of a high strength cup here on the right hand side of this pattern, higher highs. So basically in that TY-2 cycle, we had a 3.5 year cycle with the higher highs and higher lows. So breakdown is as follows. We had a TD9 cycle off of the IPO peak, early 2021. It peaked, pulled back inside of that. We had a TY1 1.5 year cycle that was inside of that TD9. So that's Cat 1 there. Then we had a TM7, it's a 27 to 33 month cycle. Price squeeze came in there. Basically, you get higher lows right there on the pullback retest of the Cat 1 line. And so you got outside of that TM7, and then you have a TY2. It's a 3.5 year cycle, and you can see it's held above the Cat 2 lows or highs, and you can see basically 1, 2, 3, 4 tests in that $60 area. Looks like it's ready to head up for more. It's already up 50% off of that retest there, but acting very strong. Got basically a went up here and kissed the $100 PPP. What was the high right there? Was 93.60. Came back TSS, double bottom, right above the $75 PPP with some air. And so right now we're looking at a potential breakout of the TY2 plus line, and we'll give some price targets when we get back. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you could find our club lingo at bitcoinatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, we got a couple cycle-based price targets based on the cycles off of that TM7 cup. So you got a TY1 off of the lows there, and extrapolating north channel was about right around 105 area, and the TY2 cycle channel target, basically an extension, two extensions of the, actually one extension of a channel of the south to north channel, and then you get two extensions at the TY3 north channel violation. That would be 100% if it hit it. It's around $90 or so right now. TY3 north channel violation is around the 180 area, so looks pretty good to head up to the northern part of that channel. And as far as the long-term targets, because the base BMI is pretty strong, it's about 4 BMI, and peak is around 65 or so. 4 times 65, 240, 260 plus 60, 320 to 350, probably a pretty good target based on base BMI. May happen over a couple years. And again, you got to keep an eye on potential problems with the Tesla robotaxi cutting into the revenues. So, but overall, chart still looks good despite the release of the robotaxi now. So, just go with the price action. Price action looks good. Again, it's Uber Technologies, Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.